Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar. I never thought I'd be saying that near to December, but here we go. This one is half price. It's a jewellery advent calendar and it is beautiful. This is from Accessorize. It was on sale for £50, but in the sales I got it for £25. It's a 12-day advent calendar and it has a value of £90. It's costume jewellery of a gold tone. My preference in jewellery is silver, although I do wear gold. I'm wearing a bit of gold in my necklace, but yeah, I tend to wear a lot of silver mainly. Unless I really fall in love with some of the items in this calendar, then everything is going to go to my daughter. So if you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description, as well as all my discount codes and offers to other websites. Plus I have a giveaway running over on Instagram, same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, that ends on the 1st of December. Hopefully this video will go up before then, but you'll find a link to it down there as well. So yeah, so let's get on to open this up then. How do I open it? Oh, okay, no, I don't open it there. I open it here. This is what it looks like. It opens right up. Okay then, starting off with day number 1 over here. I really like the way they've done this. Look at this. Oops. Ooh. Although don't do what I've just done. I'll explain in a minute. Oh my gosh, no, don't do what I'm doing. I'm just really heavy-handed. Basically, you can pull that out quite easily. Unless you're like me, and then you end up ripping things. We got little huggy earrings. So as you can tell, they're gold tone. They've got silver stones then. We've got a pair of hoop earrings there. Day number 2 next to it. Yeah, fine this time. So we've got a pair, oh, these are really pretty. These are really pretty. We got a pair of hoops, but they're larger hoops. And they got colourful stones. Hopefully you'll be able to pick up okay on the camera. You should do. They've got pretty stones all in different colours. Look at those. I really like those. I know my daughter would love them. That's day number 2. Day number 3 over here. We've got some studs. We got some circular studs. They're really small with colourful stones. Again, they're really pretty. How small they are. That was really cute. I would love for Accessorize to come out with a silver one. So then a gold one would be for my daughter and a silver one for me. Okay, day number 4 here. We got some hoops with some jewels. So these are a little bit different. They're hoops, but they're more flat on the front there. Can you see where the colours are? The jewels. Oh, look at the blue. The blue is so pretty, isn't it? Yeah, and the cerise. So lots of pretty coloured jewellery we're seeing so far. Day number 5. We got some danglies. Again, really pretty colour. Me, personally, I'm more bohemian. This is more posh. This is what I describe as posh. This is what grown-ups wear. Even though I'm probably older than the majority of you watching this, going by my analytics, I've got more people in the 25 to 35 age range watch my YouTube channel than my own age, which is nearly 50. I just love more bohemian jewellery, and although this is really pretty, this is the sort of jewellery I'd wear if I was going to a ball and I had to wear something more posh. So that's what I describe. Day number 6 over here. We got hoop on hoop action. Oh, I just realised as well. Oh, they're so pretty. So little hoops like that. And then you've got a dangly hoop on the bottom. It's so pretty, isn't it? Day number 7 here. We haven't got earrings. We've got something different. This is a bracelet, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's a bracelet. Ooh. There. It's got a little Accessorize on there. You've got the stone, and then you've got the stones then going all the way down there as well. I'll put it on just to show you what it looks like. There you go. It is pretty. It's a nice sparkly bracelet. I'll keep that on. Day number 8 over here. I ripped this off roughly. We got little stud earrings. I like them. They're a bit different, aren't they? I might keep them for myself. And instead of this big hoop I've got here, where have I got big hoop? How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. My 3rd one then, instead of this big hoop there, to go with that big stud there, maybe one of these might look nice instead. I don't know, but I do like those. Day number 9 up here. It's all falling apart now. We've got a necklace. No, is it a necklace? Is it? Yeah, it is a necklace. No, it's not a necklace. It's a bracelet. It's another bracelet. Look. See? Let's try this one on then. I can't do it. It's because this one is heavier than this one. And when I try and hook it together, this falls off and then the whole thing falls off. So I'll give you an idea of what it looks like anyway. There. So we've got a bracelet. Number 10 down the bottom. We got little dangly earrings. Look at that teal colour. That's so pretty. I do love the colours together, the navy and the teal. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, they're really nice, aren't they? 2 more to go. Day number 11. And we've got some hoops. These are jewel encrusted hoops. The silver, can you see? No, they're not silver hoops, they're gold hoops, but they've got silver stones in them. There. Day number 12, the last day of the advent calendar. I'm guessing we're going to get a necklace. Yes. It's a gold necklace. And there's some stones there. So there's a pink one and a silver one. So it's a layered necklace. What is nice about this costume jewellery is that some gold tone costume jewellery can look really, really yellow. In my opinion, that doesn't look great. It just looks really cheap and tacky. But this isn't. It's a nice gold tone. Hopefully that can be picked up on the camera there. So you can extend it as long as you want. Yeah, I think that's really pretty. That is really nice. I know my daughter would definitely wear that. That is a 12-day jewellery advent calendar from Accessorize. It has a value of £90. It was retailing for £50 and it's currently on sale for £25. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Especially if you are a gold tones jewellery lover. What do you think of the jewellery pieces in this calendar? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.